Making talking head videos with HeyGen is super easy and perfect if you want to create professional looking videos without filming yourself. First, start by signing into your HeyGen account. Once you are in, choose an avatar that fits your style or brand. HeyGen offers a variety of AI generated avatars, so pick one that feels right for your message. Next, write your script. You can either type it directly into HeyGen or upload a text file if you have already prepared your content. Keep a script clear and conversational. Imagine you're talking to a friend, so it sounds natural. After your script is ready, click your avatar's voice. HeyGen offers multiple voice options and accents, so choose one that matches the tone of your video. You can also adjust the speaking speed to make sure it's easy to follow. Once everything looks good, generate your video. HeyGen will animate the avatar, speaking your script with natural lip sync and gestures. If you want, you can customize the background or add visuals to make your video more engaging. When you're happy with your video, export it using the export button at the top right. Choose your preferred resolution and download your talking head video to share on YouTube, social media, or anywhere else. If you want me to cover tips on writing scripts that connect or have to add captions and subtitles to your HeyGen videos, hit like and follow and drop your questions below.